The compound effect opens by introducing its foundational concept, the compound effect, which is a principle that underscores the profound impact of small, seemingly inconsequential actions when they are performed with consistency over an extended period. This principle is rooted in the understanding that success is not typically the result of a single monumental leap, but rather the accumulation of small, consistent steps taken over time. The compound effect operates on the premise that every action, no matter how small, contributes to your long-term outcomes. It's akin to the process of compound interest in finance, where the interest you earn each year grows not just on the original amount you invested, but also on the interest you accumulated over time. Similarly, the compound effect suggests that the small actions you take, the habits you form, and the decisions you make on a daily basis can compound over time, leading to significant results. This principle is not about making immediate, radical changes in your life. Instead, it's about understanding the power of consistency and the impact of your daily habits, behaviors, and actions. It's about recognizing that every decision you make, every action you take, no matter how insignificant it may seem, can contribute to your long-term success or failure. For example, consider the impact of improving a skill by just 1% every day. On its own, a 1% improvement might seem negligible, but when compounded over time, these small improvements can lead to a significant increase in skill level. Conversely, negative habits or behaviors, even if they seem minor, can also compound over time, leading to negative outcomes. The compound effect is a powerful principle because it leverages the power of time. The longer you apply positive habits and behaviors, the more they compound and the more significant the results. This principle encourages patience, persistence, and discipline, as the results of the compound effect often take time to become visible. But once they do, they can be truly transformative. In essence, the compound effect is a testament to the power of consistency. It's a reminder that success is often the result of many small actions taken consistently over time, rather than a few large, radical changes. By understanding and applying this principle, you can harness the power of the compound effect to achieve your goals and create lasting change in your life. The initial topic that the compound effect delves into is the profound power of choices. Darren Hardy, the author, places a strong emphasis on the fact that each decision we make, regardless of its perceived insignificance, has the potential to shape our lives in substantial ways over time. Hardy's philosophy is rooted in the understanding that life is essentially a series of choices. From the moment we wake up to the moment we go to bed, we are constantly making decisions. These range from seemingly trivial choices like what to eat for breakfast, to more significant decisions such as which career path to pursue. While it's easy to dismiss small decisions as inconsequential, Hardy argues that these choices, when compounded over time, can have a dramatic impact on the course of our lives. The author encourages readers to take full responsibility for their choices. This means acknowledging that we are the architects of our own lives and that our current circumstances are largely the result of the choices we've made in the past. By accepting this responsibility, we empower ourselves to make better choices in the future. Hardy also emphasizes the importance of being mindful of our decision-making process. He suggests that we often make decisions on autopilot without truly considering their long-term implications. By becoming more aware of why we make certain choices and understanding their potential impact, we can start to make decisions that align more closely with our long-term goals and values. Furthermore, Hardy encourages readers to understand that every decision, no matter how small, contributes to the trajectory of their lives. This means that even minor choices, like deciding to read a book instead of watching TV, can, over time, lead to significant changes in our knowledge, skills, and perspectives. In essence, the power of choices is about recognizing the cumulative impact of our decisions and taking responsibility for directing that impact towards our desired outcomes. It's about understanding that we have the power to shape our lives through the choices we make each day. By harnessing the power of choices, we can steer our lives in the direction we want, achieving our goals and realizing our potential. The subsequent concept that the compound effect explores is the profound influence of habits and the concept of momentum. The book delves deeply into the power of habits, shedding light on their pivotal role in shaping our lives. Darren Hardy, the author, posits that by altering our habits, we possess the power to transform our lives in meaningful ways. Habits, as Hardy explains, are the small, repeated actions we perform every day, often without conscious thought. They are the routines we follow, the decisions we make automatically, and the behaviors we exhibit consistently. These habits, whether positive or negative, compound over time, gradually shaping our health, productivity, happiness, and ultimately, our destiny. Hardy suggests that the key to significant life change lies not in radical, sweeping actions, but in the modification of these daily habits. By replacing negative habits with positive ones, we can gradually steer our lives in the direction we desire. This process, however, requires self-awareness, discipline, and persistence. The concept of momentum is introduced as a critical component of habit formation. Hardy likens the process of establishing a new habit to pushing a boulder up a hill. Initially, it requires a significant amount of effort to overcome inertia. However, once the boulder reaches the top and starts descending down the other side, it gains momentum and becomes much easier to move. Similarly, forming a new habit can be challenging at first, but once established, the habit gains momentum and becomes a part of our routine, requiring less effort to maintain. This momentum creates a positive cycle of behavior. As we see the benefits of our new habits, we feel motivated to continue them. This, in turn, reinforces the habit, making it even easier to maintain. Over time, these small, positive habits can lead to significant changes in our lives. Hardy emphasizes that momentum works both ways. Just as positive habits can lead to positive outcomes, negative habits can, over time, lead to negative outcomes. This underscores the importance of being mindful of our habits and consciously choosing habits that support our goals and values. The next enlightening topic that the compound effect delves into is the profound influence our environment and the people around us have on our lives. Darren Hardy brings to light how our surroundings and social circles can significantly shape our behaviors, choices, and ultimately, our destinies. Hardy underscores the fact that we don't exist in a vacuum. Our attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors are continually being shaped and influenced by the environment we're in and the people we interact with. This influence can be subtle and gradual, so much so that we might not even be aware of it, but over time it can have a significant impact on the trajectory of our lives. One of the key points Hardy makes is the idea that we are the average of the 5 people we spend the most time with. This concept, while simple, holds a profound truth. The people we choose to surround ourselves with can influence our mindset, our attitudes, our ambitions, and even our habits. If we spend our time with positive, ambitious, and successful individuals, we are likely to be influenced by their energy, their ideas, and their habits. On the other hand, if we surround ourselves with negativity, that too can influence our outlook and behaviors. Hardy encourages us to take a good look at our social circle and ask ourselves if the people we spend time with are helping us move towards our goals or holding us back. He suggests that sometimes making significant changes in our lives might require changing our social circles or spending less time with people who drain our energy or distract us from our goals. But it's not just about the people. Our physical environment also plays a role. The spaces we live and work in, the media we consume, even the sights and sounds we expose ourselves to can all influence our mood, our thoughts, and our behaviors. Hardy's discussion on the impact of our environment serves as a reminder of the importance of consciously curating our surroundings. It's about creating an environment that supports our goals, fosters positive habits, and encourages growth. It's about surrounding ourselves with people who inspire us, challenge us, and help us become the best versions of ourselves. The next subject that the compound effect explores is the secret to accelerating the compound effect. Darren Hardy, the author, provides a set of practical strategies designed to turbocharge the impact of the compound effect, thereby hastening the journey towards achieving your goals. One of the key strategies Hardy discusses is the importance of setting clear goals. He suggests that having a clear vision of what you want to achieve provides a direction for your efforts and serves as a motivation to persist even when faced with challenges. For instance, if your goal is to write a book, having a clear vision of the finished product, the number of chapters, the plot, and the characters can guide your daily writing habits and keep you motivated. Next, Hardy introduces the power of visualization techniques. Visualization is a powerful tool that involves creating a mental image of your desired outcome. For example, if your goal is to run a marathon, you might visualize yourself crossing the finish line, feeling the weight of the medal around your neck, and hearing the cheers of the crowd. This mental rehearsal can boost your motivation and make your goals feel more tangible and achievable. Hardy also emphasizes the importance of tracking progress. Keeping a record of your actions and achievements can provide a visual representation of your progress, which can be incredibly motivating. For example, if you're trying to lose weight, keeping a food and exercise diary can help you see the relationship between your habits and your weight loss over time. The power of positive thinking is another strategy Hardy discusses. He suggests that maintaining a positive mindset can help you overcome challenges, stay motivated, and attract positive outcomes. For instance, if you're starting a new business, maintaining a positive mindset can help you see challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. The next topic that the compound effect delves into is the inevitable aspect of life that we all face, overcoming challenges. The book acknowledges that challenges, setbacks, and obstacles are an integral part of any journey towards success. Rather than being roadblocks, these challenges are stepping stones that can propel us towards our goals if we approach them with the right mindset. Darren Hardy, the author, encourages readers to shift their perspective on challenges. Instead of viewing them as failures or setbacks, he suggests seeing them as opportunities for growth and learning. This shift in perspective can be transformative. For instance, if you're trying to start a business and you face rejection or failure, instead of seeing it as a sign that you're not cut out for entrepreneurship, you could view it as a learning opportunity. What can you learn from this rejection? How can you improve your business proposal or product based on the feedback you received? By asking these questions, you can turn a challenge into a catalyst for growth. Hardy also emphasizes the importance of maintaining a positive attitude in the face of adversity. He suggests that our attitude can significantly influence our ability to overcome challenges. A positive attitude can help us stay motivated, see the silver lining in difficult situations, and keep moving forward even when things get tough. For example, if you're training for a marathon and you sustain an injury, maintaining a positive attitude can help you focus on your recovery and the steps you can take to get back on track, rather than dwelling on the setback. Staying committed to your goals, even in the face of adversity, is another key point that Hardy stresses. He suggests that challenges can test our commitment and determination. However, by staying committed to our goals and persisting in the face of adversity, we can overcome these challenges and come out stronger on the other side. For instance, if you're working towards a promotion at work and you're passed over for someone else, staying committed to your goal might involve seeking feedback, improving your skills, and continuing to excel in your role until the next opportunity arises. In conclusion, the compound effect is a powerful guide to achieving success in any area of life. It emphasizes the power of small, consistent actions and the importance of personal responsibility, positive habits, and a supportive environment. The book provides practical strategies and motivational insights to help readers harness the compound effect and create significant, lasting change in their lives. Remember, the compound effect is a long-term strategy. The results may not be visible immediately, but with time, consistency, and persistence, the small changes you make can lead to massive results. As Hardy says, you will never change your life until you change something you do daily. The secret of your success is found in your daily routine.